All right, we're ready to start our stop motion animation, and we're going to be using the iPads, and we're going to set them up on a chair looking down at your backdrop. Notice it's taped to the table. That's super important, and if you don't tape it to the table, I'm going to have you start all over because I don't want your tree and your land moving around as you're taking these pictures. The iPad is just above the picture and you don't end up seeing the tape or the table. And to keep it level, I put a little rubber squares underneath it so it stays secure and it stays level. And we're going to do that with you too. When you're ready to take pictures, we're just going to hit the word capture and repeat that many, many times until we have a nice long movie. So you're going to want to go to the app called iMotion. Hold the iPad so the camera is at the top. And then you're going to touch the word New Movie. You need to hit the word Manual where the hand and finger are so that you can take the pictures manually. And then in the little white box, you may type your name. And then you're going to hit the word Start. Place your iPad on the chair so the camera is facing down at your backdrop. Make sure you don't see any of the table or any of the tape. And use the little rubber blocks. Slowly introduce your little cutout prop and hit the word capture each time you move the prop. And don't move it too much. This has to be super, super small movements or it will not look like action at all when you look at it later. So move them slightly and slowly. It's a good idea to turn on your onion skin. So go to the little double square that's at the top and you'll be able to see a slight faint ghost image of the previous picture. And that way you can really see how much you're moving it. Also, it's a good idea because we can always set up next week exactly where you left off by looking at that little ghost image. My hand is not going to be in the final movie. Notice every time I hit capture, my hand is out of the way. If you accidentally get a picture with your hand in it, I'll have to show you how to remove that one picture. But if you get your hand in every single picture, there's no way to remove all of them without deleting the entire video. So try not to have mistakes like that. Notice I didn't glue down my tree because I had the plan of making this girl go behind the tree, and the only way to do that is to have it be not glued. So now I'm watching what I've done so far. It just replays it over and over. But I do notice there is a hand right there. The hand got in there. Oh no, I've got to get rid of that hand. So I'm going to go to the edit mode and I'm going to select frame by frame by frame until I find the ones that have a hand in it or anything else I don't like, and I'm going to hit delete. I'll delete the picture so that I don't have any hands, and then I can watch it again and make sure that all the hands are gone. I continued on with my story, and here's what I've got so far. Make sure you have a little story. Make sure something's happening so you just don't have people running around on your page. You can change the speed of your movie to super, super slow or really, really fast. Usually the one in the middle works the best though. When you're done and happy with your movie, you're going to hit the word export and choose video and export to your photo library. And you'll see this little green bar take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how many pictures you took. And then it's going to be saved in your iPad's camera roll. From there, you're going to want to go to iMovie and find it. So you can now add sound, voice, sound effects, music, and also do some more editing to it. When you're done with iMotion, it's time to go to iMovie. That's the blue and white star. You're going to click on that icon and you're going to find the page that has a plus sign at the top. Click on the plus sign and choose Movie. At the very bottom, you'll see blue writing that says Create Movie. Click that. Find the plus sign to add video. Choose Recently Added Videos, and yours should be the top one. Click on it and it will drop down into your movie. And now you're ready to start adding some sound effects and music and even your voice telling a story. Have fun!